Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Tonight we're going to make risotto. Risotto is all about the stock, so make a good chicken stock for yourself. No salt, please, and use all the freshest ingredients you can find. This is all the ammo. Let's get to it. We're going to julienne up these onions really nice and throw them in. Get them cooking down. Mushrooms, you want big chunks, so make big chunks. Throw those in, let them cook down a bunch, and then throw too much wine in, just like half a bottle or something. No problem. And while that's cooking down, get your ribs going, get some oil on them, get some vinegar and some peppers, wine. All right, risotto, it's all about the rice. You must rinse your rice in cold water until it's not cloudy anymore. It's as simple as that. Okay, out comes the sauté, and in goes the rice. Nice. And then you're going to pour in 2 cups of chicken stock. And you're going to let that cook down, and while that's happening, you're going to set up your plate. You got your spinach, your Stilton cheese, lime, garlic, pears, and of course finish it off with a nice red bell pepper. And this is your reward. Perfect risotto every time. All right, a little more stock to that. Add the mushrooms, a little more stock, and you are ready to serve. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Picture perfect right there. Serving time, all right. Mushroom risotto. Little garlic, little lime, Asiago cheese, the beef ribs. Look at that. Pretty nice. Mushroom risotto with beef ribs and a spinach salad with Stilton cheese and pears. Tonight served with a Kendall Jackson Sauvignon Blanc. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.